Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Blurbs Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a Burmese dish. It is a Burmese street food called HTAMIN LETHOKE, which means rice and hands mixed salad. So, like literal translation. So we have some rice and mixed in chili oil. We've got mung bean thread noodles. We've got rice noodles. We've got potatoes, cilantro, green onions. We've got dehydrated shrimp, fish sauce, tamarind, lime, eggs. There's a whole bunch of ingredients. Do not let this intimidate you because it's a super delicious salad. I really want to bring Burmese food to the forefront. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week.